Good morning, student. Let's start with our practical, that is inserting image on a web page. First of all, we require the structure. Mention your head and title tag over here. Now within the body tag, we have to insert the image tag. So over here img is a tag. IMG tag contains various attributes such as SRC. SRC is representing image source. So whichever images you want to insert on your web page, that images you have to find out over here. How you will find out? You have to give the asterisk sign .gif, that is the animated pictures. If you will give .jpg, so you will get the still images, and these images you can copy down within your folder so that easily you can view through browser. So you can see over here GIF and JPG images already I have pasted within my folder. So we will insert same images. Just you have to mention the image name with extension. Extensions are nothing but whether that image is having the GIF or JPG, PNG file formats, or you can directly mention the path. That could be you can insert directly through Google Chrome. So choice is yours how you want to insert that image. Next attribute, that is a ALT. ALT is representing my alternate text. So whenever my mouse pointer will move towards that image, it will display the alternative text on that image. You can see over here my mouse pointer. As soon as I will move my mouse pointer towards certain icons, it is displaying certain pop-up menus. So if you want to do for your images, so you can give the ALT attribute. If you want to resize your image, you are having height as well as width attribute. Of course, this thing is supposed to be mentioned within the pixel format. If you want to give the border, you can give the border for your image. Border attribute will support according to the images. Certain images won't provide you the border. Even you can change the border color also. So these are the various kinds of image attributes. Image tag is a self-padded tag. That's why we have to close that tag within that tag itself only. So no need to mention the separate img tag to close that. This is a no. So this is a wrong statement. This tag we have to close over here only. So now let's start with our practical. Now P tag is indicating my paragraph. So this statement will print as it is. Now over here I am using my img tag with the attribute SRC. This is the image which I want to view through browser. This is the alternative text. Whenever I will move my mouse pointer towards that image, it will display this statement. After that, within the style attribute, we have to mention the width as well as height attribute. Now float, that is a right. I want to place my image on the right hand side. That's why I am using this float right. This choice is yours. Either you can mention float left, right and center. This statement will print as it is. One more image I am inserting with extension. Now this time I want float supposed to be on the left hand side. This is the height and width of my image. Let's save the changes and view this output through browser. So my file name is an image. So just open that image file so you can get the output. So you can see over here this smiley image is appearing on the right hand side. That is my flow. This is a height and width. So as soon as I will change this, let's assume I will mention over here 100 and let's make it over here height 90. Save the changes and refresh your browser. So you can see the size get increased over here. This is the second image which is appearing on the left hand side. So choice is yours how you want to mention the height and width attribute for your image. If you want image as a background page, so within the body tag we have to mention the BG. First of all we will see the BG color. So mention the color whichever you want for your background. Let's assume I am giving over here yellow. Already we have close the body tag. So let's save the work and refresh your browser. It is appearing. Now instead of this plain background color, I want background image. So we have to use the attribute background. Now I have to search the image, which image I want as a background. Let's assume we will insert this image. So select this image, right click mouse and rename it. So this is allowing me to rename. Just copy it with the help of Ctrl+C rather than retyping that. This is a shortcut option. Close this. Within the double quotes, mention that name whichever we have copied. An extension of that image is a JPG. So mention that extension, save the work and go to your browser and refresh it. So you can see over here that image is appearing as a background image. Now we will move towards the next part of my image. Same way you can use the link for image also, but that you will see in the link chapter. Now I will show you height and width. We will try whether it's showing or not. First of all, I will remove this. Same image we will take. So I will mention over here ing src attribute and we will paste this name over here. Okay, we will remove this. Okay, now let's give. First of all, we will see the output of this file. Okay, so this is my image. Now we will resize it with the help of, okay, these tags are your cascading style sheet. Now if I want to give the simple attributes, so directly you can mention over here height as well as width. 300 height and width is my again 300. I told you this is a padded tag, that's why we have to close. So you can see over here. Now if I want that image should be down, so you can give over here BR tag. One BR indicate one line break. So how many BR you will mention, that much line break you will get within your web page. You can see over here. Now I will remove this statement. We will put image down after my paragraph. Refresh. Okay. Now I want to put the border for this image. Let's try that whether it's showing or not. Border equal to how much thickness you want for your border, you can mention it. Save the work and refresh your border. So this is a border for my image. These are the attributes without cascading style sheet and these are the cascading style sheet attributes. So choice is yours. Either you can mention the simple HTML tags with attributes or you can type the cascading style sheet tags with attributes. Hope student this is clear to you. Next video we will see about the link chapter. Thank you for watching my video.